Hey guys, hope you are doing great. On 2018, Poco has changed the game of budget segment smartphones. The reason we all know, under 20,000, Poco is the first phone that offered a best performing all-rounder mobile, the Poco F1. After a long wait, Poco is back with its F-series mobile, Poco F4. Today let's see the unboxing and first impression of Poco F4. Let's get into the video. It's their usual box with Poco F4 logo on the front. On back, they mentioned highlight and specification. On top, they mentioned price and box content. Let's open the seal. First, you'll get SIM ejector tool, then user manual and warranty card, then Type-C to 3.5mm audio converter, and one transparent case. Let's remove the wrapper and back sticker and turn on the phone. Also, you'll get one Type-C cable plus one 67 watts fast charging adapter on the box. When we talk about the design, the phone have glass body on the back and the side frames are made up of plastic. And the phone is total 7.7mm thickness and it weighs over 195 gram. The phone comes on two color variant. The one we have is Nebula Green and one more variant is Night Black. The phone have punch hole display on the front. Overall, when you talk about the design, the phone looks decent. Next, let's talk about the display. The phone comes with 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It has both Dolby Vision and HDR10 support. It also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The peak brightness goes up to 1300 nits. Also, you'll get adaptive refresh rate option. Overall, when we talk about the display quality is really good. The media consumption experience is also really great. On the bottom, you'll get dual SIM slot. Definitely we are missing hybrid SIM slot on this phone. The phone support up to 10 5G bands. Also on the bottom, you'll get Type-C port, mic and the speaker grill. When we talk about the speakers, the phone has stereo speaker. The audio output is really loud and good. Also on the top, you'll get noise cancellation mic and IR blaster. We are happy to see Poco didn't forget to include IR blaster on this phone. On the right side, you'll get volume rocker keys and power button. The fingerprint sensor is also integrated with power button. The sensor is really fast and accurate. Also, you have face unlock option. It is also fast and accurate. The only drawback we felt is Poco never gave in-display fingerprint sensor to any of their models. The phone comes with 4500 mAh battery. Also, you'll get 67 watts fast charging adapter on the box. The brand promises 50% of charge in 11 minutes and 100% of charge in 37 minutes. In our testing, on normal usage, you almost get 1 day of battery life. When we talk about the camera, on front we'll get 20 megapixel selfie camera with aperture 2.4. You can also see the photo samples. On rear, we have a triple camera setup, primary 64 megapixel with OIS support and 8 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel macro sensor. When it comes to video, on front you can take 1080p at 30 frames per second. On rear, you'll get max 4K at 60 frames per second. The phone runs on Android 12 on top of MIUI 13. Also, we received the latest security patch update on June. Overall, the UI is smooth and fast. When we talk about bloatware, the phone comes with very less bloatware. Even you can uninstall few system apps also. For all the Poco F1 fans, F4 is also comes with Poco Launcher. Other than that, the phone almost have all sensor. Also, you'll get some special features like NFC and sidebar. When we talk about the performance, the phone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor with Adreno 650 GPU. The phone have 360Hz touch sampling rate. Also, it has a vapor chamber cooling system. When it comes to gaming, the phone performs really great. Also, the phone have LPDDR5 RAM and USF 3.1 storage. Also, you'll get virtual RAM up to 3 GB. Overall, on the first impression, the Poco F4 looks promising for its price. Soon we'll try to upload full review for this phone. The Poco F4 comes on 3 variant. 6 128GB is priced for 28,000, 8 128GB is priced for 30,000 and 12 256GB is priced for 34,000. Hope you'll find today's video useful for you. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.